Hey, I'm Zach, the founder of Foreplay. This is a complete product demo on how to get the most out of Foreplay to supercharge your creative workflow. Whether you're a brand or an agency, let's get into it. Foreplay has 3 core products to help you with competitor tracking, idea generation, and briefing your next winning ad. Let's start with what we're most well known for, swipe file. The first step in using Foreplay is to download our Chrome extension. After that, you'll notice a save button injected onto multiple platforms where you're probably already doing creative research. For example, let's head over to the Facebook ad library. Now, when browsing for ad inspiration, you don't need to copy this link that breaks all the time or fumble with hundreds of screenshots. Simply click the Save to Foreplay button. It will automatically save this ad to your dashboard forever. I repeat, if this ad gets taken down, you have access to it forever. That's just where the Foreplay magic starts. When saving an ad, you can also select a board using the drop-down menu. Boards are our organizational structure, which live inside of folders. Everyone uses boards a bit differently, but the most common way is to use boards for creative sprints or campaign mood boards, but it's all up to you. So far, everything I've shown you is available for Facebook ad library, TikTok and LinkedIn, and support for other platforms like Google, Pinterest, and YouTube are coming very soon, meaning all of your ad inspiration can be in one place. Returning to Foreplay, you can see the ad I just saved. When I open the ad details drawer, you'll see that we also saved the ad copy, the call to action type, and the headline and metadata. Additionally, we also scrape a full-length landing page screenshot on desktop and mobile, so you can understand what offer they were driving traffic to at that time. Even if this link changes, you have a crystallized version of this landing page forever. This screen also lets you download the asset or thumbnail, add internal comments, custom tags, and a 1 to 5 star rating for additional organization of your swipe file. Clicking the share button will copy a link to your clipboard. You can share this link with anyone, even if they don't have a Foreplay account, so we make it seamless to collaborate with external agencies or freelancers. Finally, I want to highlight the active status indicator. When you save the ad, we crystallize the started running date, and in the background, we automatically check back daily to see if that ad is still running. The green dots represent active ads, the gray dots represent inactive. This insight can be crucial for understanding which ads failed and which continue to scale. Outside of individual ad saving, the spider feature allows you to track a brand's ad creative automatically. To do this, copy their Facebook ad library URL, click on Spy on a New Brand, and then Add Brand. This will automatically save all currently running ads and check back daily to save new ad creatives. Inside Spider, we also give you additional insights. This includes media mix between video, image, and carousel, landing page distribution so you can understand where most of their traffic is driving, along with a tree map of their most common themes and keywords. Coming soon to Spider is a Gantt chart view showing you a historical timeline of your competitors' creative tests since you started tracking them. Some other features included in Swipe File are manual upload, advanced filtering, keyword search, and starred boards. Now, let's get into Discovery, a community ad library of almost 1 million ads. This is essentially a real-time feed of all the ads being saved by the other 2,000 brands and agencies using Foreplay. Now, 1 million ads can be overwhelming, so there are multiple options for discovering your next winning ad idea and making sure that it's relevant for you. First, all ads have been enriched with AI, allowing you to search by hyper-targeted keywords that are pulled from the ad copy or video transcript. For example, if I search collagen, I instantly get a ton of ad creative hand-picked from the community. From there, what I usually like to do is sort by longest running and then filter further depending on what I'm looking for. Now, this can be an incredible way to find historical ad inspiration, or even discover new competitors you may have never known about. Once you find an ad that you like, you can also save these ads to your own boards. Heading over to the Brands tab, this is a list of over 100,000 brands that have an ad saved to Foreplay. From there, you can also see how many ads have been saved from this brand and create a favorites list of the brands you check most. It's important to note that this does not save every ad from this brand. You should use Spider for that. Finally, our Experts tab. These are power users on our platform who have elected to have some of their boards public. What we hear from customers is that they enjoy scrolling through this to see what people are saving from different industries. yielding completely unique ideas that they can repurpose for their own niche. You can apply to be featured on the Experts tab using this URL. With Swipe File and Discovery, you have everything you need to organize your idea generation process. Now, let's get into briefs, the easiest way to transform your ad inspiration into an actionable brief. After clicking New Brief, you can name the brief using whatever naming convention that you use. You can also manage statuses and due dates from this section. The brand profile card holds all the evergreen information associated with your brand. This includes brand colors, guidelines, and external links to resources. Once you create a brand profile, it can be reused for any future brief. And agencies, you can create a brand profile for each client. The ad inspiration section allows you to attach one or multiple pieces of ad inspiration directly from your swipe file. Simply select which assets and click continue. Now let's scroll to the modular details section, where we've created multiple widgets to specify any aspect of your ad. This includes deliverables like size and aspect ratio, target duration, content style, and more. This is a completely customizable section. Moving on to where all the magic happens, our AI script and storyboard generator. It's important to note that you can use Foreplay briefs without AI. Simply just write your script manually. However, if you're trying to rewrite video ads with dialogue, this is easily the fastest way to do so. On the left, you'll see that Foreplay has loaded in all the videos that you attach to inspiration. You can toggle through these to find the one that you want to use as your script inspiration. It's important to note here, whatever video you have here is the overall structure of your output script. On the right is where you enter your company name, target audience, and product description. Below that, you can choose to toggle on and generate more than just the dialogue, and you can even select an output language for your script. And all there's left to do now is click Write Script, and voila. You'll see on the left side, we have transcribed the original asset, detecting the storytelling framework, and breaking it into key scenes. On the right, you have your new AI-generated script using the same concept and messaging as your inspiration. We've also come up with ideas of what could happen in each scene, as well as text overlay for each scene. With one click, you could turn the script into a storyboard, which will automatically generate reference images from the inspiration video. You can also replace these by uploading your own image or video references of your own. From the storyboard section, you can edit or tweak your script manually. Or, if you're looking to generate new ideas for an individual scene, click the 3 stars to generate 5 copy variations. This is an incredibly easy way to come up with new hook or call to action ideas. Once your brief is ready to go, scroll to the top and click Share. This will generate a link that you can share with anyone, internally or externally. It has all the information that they need to create your next winning ad. Finally, you can collect content directly from the brief share page. The creator can click Upload Content, where we reiterate the deliverables, and they can upload their content including name and email. On the back end, you'll see all content submissions associated with that brief, meaning you could share this brief with multiple creators and collect assets in one central place. Finally, everything I've shown you today can be managed from your dashboard screen. You'll find a place to invite your team members, cards holding the most important information for each product, a trending ads carousel, and a place to manage your integrations. If you have any additional questions, feel free to book a one-on-one demo or reach out to customer support. Stay hungry and get creative.